And so my movement of Tracy's Total Wellness is to bring people together in sacred space, whether it's virtually, in person, whether it's in my deep healing group circle program called Sacred Sisterhood that starts very soon in spring, whether it's my one-on-one clients. I am taking a stand for women to be in sacred space so that they can live in that wisdom you just got to witness, and then we can do it together. That's my movement of women being in their divinity, in their power, and they can influence others. I call it generating a legacy. And so I'm more committed to my movement than anything. And so I want to share with you my screen of my invitation of being a part of my community and what that might look like for you. And if it's something that aligns with you, and if it's not something that aligns with you, if it's something that might align with somebody that you know. The gift, as I call it, of community medicine. Kim's going to also drop the link in because right now you might be in a very blissed out state and you don't want to leave it. So you can be in that state and just listen for a moment as well. So this is my invitation, which is about discovering the power of connection and empowerment while staying true to your authentic self. And it's an opportunity to be in my community in a powerful way, yet not a crazy committed way, where we come together in virtual gatherings, and there are some in-person ones if you are close. But I want to share my message to all of you, those of you listening to the recording, those of you here live. Dear wise and well women, we believe that wisdom comes from experience and from connection. My mission is to create a vibrant and supportive community of wise women who are committed to personal growth, meaningful connections, and positive change. Through shared experiences, we empower each other to thrive, both individually and collectively. We honor the unique perspectives and life journeys of every member and work to create a space where everyone feels seen, heard, and honored. Together, we're building a community of wise women who lead with authenticity and love. From me to you, I love you all. I love you all, and I love everything that you are doing. And, you know, as I mentioned, my passion is to bring, I call it the community medicine, to all of us. So I wanted to share with you just a few things. You can go through all of this on your own, but there's an amazing membership that's going on right now where you get special discounted offers. You also get invitations to the Wise and Well events. You get access to some videos and library resources, and then you get some member-only specials for other things that I offer. For many of the women here, stepping into your influence or your leader is where you want to go. And so many of the dates are already set up for what's called my Wise Working Women virtual circles. You don't have to be a business owner to join. You just have to be someone that wants to influence others and see a change in the world. So these are the dates coming up. And this package for all of these experiences, from these, as well as these member-only sacred circles, full moon events, and other things that will be added throughout the year, it does expire at the end of the month, so the 28th of February. So it gives you some time to think about it. That being because March 2nd is our first gathering of the membership event series. Now, I love angel numbers. So the membership experience to come play in my community for the whole year is only 111. 11 ones are all about manifesting. I know we have Lorena here, a numerologist that practices numerology. Ones are about that manifesting. So come together and manifest with me. I would be honored to have you. Now, that link that Kim put in, you're going to get that link at the end of this experience in the recording, so you can look it all over. We have some common FAQs, as well as I wanted to offer one more thing. I am opening up my calendar for the month of March to have what I'm calling activation calls. Everything that you explored in that visualization of community, everything that you've explored in the circles here, whether it's your first time or you've been to a few of them, I want to allow that to be unleashed. And I am opening up my calendar to have activation calls to guide you, to help you to see, is my community a right fit, something I offer, or help you to guide you to who is a right fit, helping you to truly thrive. That's my intention. So I do have slots available, and you can go and you can find one. Again, just the clicking here. So that's a little bit about what I'm up to. These are some amazing pics from some of our past experiences, from in-person to virtual. And I would love if any of you, or you know somebody that's interested, to join us. The cool thing about my memberships are you got that seat, whether it's virtual or in person. And if you can't make it to an event, you can share that gift with someone else and share your ticket with someone else. So the power of community is there for you and for your loved ones throughout the year. I'm going to stop my screen share so I can see all of you lovelies. And I would love to have all of you in this moment, as I shared my intentions around my community, my invitations. I would love for you to reflect, what does community mean for you? Whether anything I shared about coming together in circle, my wise and well invitation, that little message I had to you, I want you to sit with that and jot down something quickly or write it in the chat box of anything that you're interested in. Oh, and Kim, you lost the links. I don't know how they do that now. I'll put the link in. Yeah, when you go into breakout rooms, they take it all away. I want to keep it. Thank you. So what does, community mean for you? And I'm going to give us a moment as we get set up for our next gathering and our next part of the experience.